Hey everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to find hotels on Agoda. I wonder why you want to know how to find hotels on Agoda. Maybe because someone suggested you this app because you're going on a traveling or maybe on a vacation and you're looking for it. Or maybe you think that other apps don't have any good deals so you want to give it a try on this app. Or there could be any other reason for you to find hotels on Agoda. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you can find hotels on Agoda. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed the Agoda app, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. Once the app gets installed, make sure you have created your account on it and you also logged in with your account on your device. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the Agoda app to open it. Once the app gets open, you will see this interface. This is how the app looks. At the top left side of the screen, you could see the icon of the app, and there are different options almost all over the screen. At the bottom, we have different options, almost five, and at the top, we have other options. Right now, we're in the home section. As you can see, we have this option which says hotel. Once you tap on it, with the help of that, you could book your hotels. First, you have to select that if you're going for a night stay or maybe for the day use. So you can choose any one of these options. And after that, you have to choose a place where you want to book the hotels. It could be any place of your choice. It could be any city or any country. It could be London. It could be New York or maybe any other place of your choice. You just have to simply search for it. And from the result, you have to select one of these. Along with the results, you will also see how many hotels are available in that place. So once you have selected the place, now you have to select the date. First, you have to select the check-in date, and after that, you have to select the check-out date. In check-in, you have to select the date from which you will start your journey. On checkout, you have to select the date on which you will end your journey. And here you have to choose like how many rooms you need, how many people will be there, how many kids will be there, and how many infants will be there. So you can add or reduce from this option, and after that you just have to simply click on OK and then click on this search option. Once you tap on an option, it will just take a while. After that, it will show you all the results. Here we have also some filters that you could also use like price and other stuff, and from the results you can check whatever you like from its picture or maybe from the details. You just have to simply tap onto that option, and once that option gets open, you will get detailed option about it. Like you can go through some of the different images, you will get through the name of that place, you will see its rating, its price, its location, and all over. And once you like it, you can book that hotel. But if you don't like it, then don't worry, there will be other hotels available. You can also check them. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can find hotels on Agoda. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you for watching the video.